Want to give your project that professional level look, but can't figure out how? No worries. Soon you'll have all the tools to make any object have the perfect surface. First thing to know is that you don't need a high poly count. In fact, the fewer it has, the faster it can render and the less lag and headache that it will cause. Instead, we fake a smoother hard surface in 3 different ways. Option 1 is a modifier called subdivision surface, or SubSerf for short. What it does is takes all the faces of your object and cut them into quarters. And these numbers here tell Blender how many times to do that. This one is what you currently see, and this one is what it will render with. In both cases, a level of 1 or 2 will be more than enough for any project. Now, if you're disappointed with the results of what SubSerf just did to your model, relax. We still need to tell Blender which parts of the model to make sharper in edit mode. To do so, select the edges we want sharper and set the crease value to 1 in the right-hand item menu. If the menu isn't showing up, shortcut to hide and unhide it is N. If we want to take it a step further, and we do, we can use option 2 with SubSerf. Right-click our selected object, shade smooth, then go to the data tab, the green triangle, and under normals, click auto smooth. Now, it looks great almost everywhere, which brings us to option 3, marking edges as sharp. This is done in edit mode with edge select. Simply select the edges that you want to crease, right-click, mark sharp, and congratulations, those edges are now as smooth as they can be. Deuces.